Hi, I'm Katie with WTI, and since I was a little girl, I had a dream of owning my very own pair of fancy roller skates. Well, I'm not a little girl anymore, but dreams really do come true. These Moxi Rainbow Rider skates are my dream come true. I just love this retro rainbow on here with the blue, orange, and red. It looks so cool against the black. Oh, and then the pop of these yellow wheels. Could they get any cooler? Yes, they can get cooler because the tongue is a cloud. That's right, a cloud. And these skates really feel like you're gliding through the clouds. They are so smooth and they were really comfortable. There's a lot of padding around the calf and the ankle inside. One thing I do want to mention is that I wear a size 8, 8.5 shoe, and I got these in a size 7. So make sure you measure your foot before you order because skate sizes are different than shoe sizes. I went by the measurement and the size 7 fits me perfectly. I love how these fit, I love how they look, and I love how they roll. If you want to love how you roll, then check out these Moxi Rainbow Riders. But that's just my point of view.